Want to learn how to make money online teaching languages? I can help you. In this video, I'm going to take you through all the process to becoming a teacher on Italki. So if you're someone wanting to become a teacher on this platform, you're welcome. This video is definitely going to be a great help for you guys. But before you dive right into registering yourself, I really recommend you to check out the profiles of other tutors on the platform. That will give you an idea of how your profile should look like what's their videos, their description and all. And that is going to help you with your application. So without any further ado, I'll just take you over to my screen. So guys, now you're on my desktop screen. So to go this page, you have to search on the Google teach.italki.com, or I'll just put the link in the description. And let me show you first my profile. So this is how your profile is going to be like. So here's my profile name, my upcoming lessons, the video section, and this is my upcoming 3 lessons. One is in 2 hours, another is 4 in 5 hours. Okay, teacher setting my schedule, messages. Okay, this is the page that your student is going to have a look. Like your video, the language you teach. I teach Hindi, which is my native tongue, and English and Nepali, because I'm also Nepali, and I'm currently learning Thai, and this is my lesson structure, and this is my completed lessons and response, attendance, and my reviews and all. Okay, that's it. I'll give you more detail about this whole thing, but that's a topic for another time. So we were distracted for a while there. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is, if you haven't signed up already, just sign up from here, and if you are, just log in. I have an account from Google. Obviously I am already a teacher, so I'm just using my another account which I created for this tutorial. Okay, so I'm logged in. So let's continue with our application. And so first you need to read all of this 4 thing here. And the first is is your language open? Just check it here, let's, for example, Chinese is closed for both professional and community teacher. Okay, just like that. And another is what type of teacher are you, professional or community? That is who I am. I mean, you don't really need any certificate that you needed to submit or anything. But for professional, you need to show your professional documents or your experience and all. That's really confusing, and that is not my business. Okay, so another is you have to prepare an introduction, which you are going to upload on the profile. And another is just certification. If you have one, you can upload, but that doesn't make any requirement here for the community teacher. So that's our personal information. The first is basic information, your display name, and the communication tool. I'll just take Skype is okay, and I'll put the link, and where you're from, India, Soniput, and the private information. Please make sure your information is identical to your government issued ID. That means you have to put the exact name you have on your ID here. Okay, I'll just take any name, not my name, Johnny Hope. I don't know. Okay, my fake birthday, male, yes, anything. And the language you're going to teach. Okay, you need to have at least of C2 level to teach a language. Okay, another is my native tongue. No, that is Hindi first, because I'm born and raised here, although I'm from Nepal. I can choose Chinese. Okay, like I choose intermediate, so I cannot teach that language. So just choose a photo of yours. Maybe I'll upload not my pic. This is better. Good. Yeah. Okay. Now I will save and continue. What now? Oh yeah. You have to, check this mark. Okay. Now, success. Now we are on our next page, that is teaching profile. So here you have to select the language you want to teach. Okay, I'll say I'm gonna teach the both language. Okay, now here you need to you need to upload the video. First you should read this, that all the requirements that it needs. Okay, then just upload your video. And I'm gonna upload the blank video because I'm not really making an actual account. Okay, it's completed. I have a webcam and I can offer video-based lessons. Yeah, and I'm aware. Here you have to write about yourself, like about me as a teacher, my lessons and teaching style. So I'm not gonna write all of that. Okay, that's why I told you earlier that you should check out the other's profile so that you can have an idea what they have in their description. Okay, I'll just select anything and save and continue. I need to have at least 50 characters. Okay, that should do it. Once you get verified, which you will receive a confirmation email that says you're pre-approved. Then later you will have to come again here on this very page, and they will ask you to submit your ID, your government ID that is for you to get verified. And then later you have to go through a lot of training videos and some Q&A, which is not exactly a test. You just have to answer whether right or wrong, nothing, it doesn't matter. And there may be like a Zoom meeting interview, which is exactly not an interview, that you just have to be there, nothing else. They will not ask you any question or anything, so it's easy. But last time my friend submitted the application form, they didn't ask for such interview, that kind of Zoom interview. So I'm not really sure if there will be any Zoom meeting, but it's okay either way. So if you still encounter any problem, or if you have any question regarding everything about Italki, you can just let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to reply everyone. And thanks for watching my video, and have a nice day.